Good afternoon. This is Don from How To's and Reviews, and we've got Aubrey here, and Luna, and my little brat Emma. Today, what we're going to do is we are going to install recliners in the camper. Emma, Aubrey, watch out of the way. We're going to install recliners in the camper, and we've been seeing reviews on this particular brand. It's the Recpro. So we're going to do a quick unboxing and see what we get, and tell you exactly why we chose the cloth seats over the pleather or the vinyl seats. So we're going to go ahead and open up everything, see what we got, and see what's involved. We've already removed the couch out of the camper, and we'll be in there shortly with the air on, hopefully, because in New Jersey it's hot. All right, there's the back. Definitely lightweight. And excuse me, I am definitely sweating. So you've got the base unit. We can't install that yet because we have to put it in the camper because of the camper door only being 24 inches. This is the manual pull one. We decided not to get the electric. It's just more expensive and more to break. So we'll go ahead and unbox the next piece of the puzzle. Everything's packed really nicely in individual bags. And here is part of the center console, or the pad for it. Okay. Next piece, we've got two big cup holders. Yvonne, you think your cup will fit in there? They look huge.
You can test it out, it's right there.
Check it out. Here's the test. Is it gonna fit? Is it gonna fit? Oh my God, perfectly. Oh my God. And then come check out the inside here. Pretty big storage area for remotes. Got the thing to lock onto the chair on each side. This way nothing moves around. And what we'll do is unbox the next couch. It is a hot day and everything's unboxed. When you're ordering these online, make sure that you get the left and right couch. They were a little tough to find. They're not just under sofas, they're under modular systems because they all lock into each other. Next thing, we're gonna be in the camper with the air conditioner on, and we'll install them. Check back with you soon.
Emma, nobody wants to see the TikTok dance.
Oh, but it's eat the chip, abuse your hips, kick the chow and pose. That's so funny.
All right, so everything's in, it's hot. Collectively, we've worked on this for about 10 minutes between unboxing and removing the old couch. This particular slide out is big, but the dinette's huge. So we've got 65 inches in between here. Couches are 29 inches. The section in the middle is 6 inches. So we're just gonna have enough room and we'll start building this quickly. Take your covers off for the backs. And then these should just slide right on. Right into the tracks. No hardware required. locks in. Do the second one. Getting into the tracks, you might have to squeeze in a little bit here, but once they're in, locks in. Next, we're going to put this in the general position so we can get the
I wouldn't put
section
that
on.
one back yet. Where's
No,
the middle
'cause I'm gonna get
section?
the middle section. Right here. Here's our middle. Again, this side locks in and moves forward. And the other side does the same, but on the rocker side. So this should be fairly easy right now to lock in. There it is. Now the fun part. We have a sectional in our living room that is an absolute nightmare trying to connect furniture, but this shouldn't be too bad. Our space is a little limited, but lay on the floor and get it lined up.
It sounded like it locked in.
The front did. So I did have to push this forward a little bit to get that back to lock in, but we're all locked in now. It's all tight. The last step here is just to get your back piece, and then this runs. It's going to go like this. You've got a knob back here. You just unscrew. Line it up with the hole. Tighten it up. Okay, and then put your Velcro down to cover everything up. I think the next part is we're going to move this into position and we'll try it out and show you on camera. So right now I have this about 3 to 4 inches from the back of the wall. We're going to give it a shot, see how we could test it out. My biggest complaint about the old sleeper bed was there was never anywhere to put your feet, and we finally solved that. About $1,200 shipped. It was free shipping. They ship fast within 3 days. Everything looks good. We're going to sit on it. I haven't done that yet. And one other reason we went with the cloth, I said earlier, was because vinyl, hot, sweat, jersey, heat, humidity, it's just not going to be good when you're sitting on vinyl. So we decided for the cloth, and I'm glad we did. So let's go ahead and try it out, Emma. All right. And what's nice is these things go all the way back, so you can take a nap.
I'm too light. I can't get. Oh, there we go. Oh, this is nice. I can sleep on this.
Everything looks good. Thank you for how-tos and reviews.